So JXVerxy here, and today I'm going to show you how to improve the sound of your games. So yeah, like say if I'm trying to play The Walking Dead. I was playing this earlier. You know, the sound's just so quiet, and it really says, use headphones, but I really don't want to use headphones. So if you just don't want to use headphones, well, I'm gonna give you a cheat sheet on how to improve your sound. So I have this iPad 2, it's jailbroken. Sound quality is kind of terrible. My case. So what I would do is zoom over here, and I have my Beats pill. Yep, the Beats pill. I got the blue one. You can get any Beats pill, but yeah. So like, say if you're hooked up right here, you can put the Beats pill right here. I'll just turn it on. Now you can kind of do that. Pause my game. I'm on the second episode, first season, and I would go to my settings, and Bluetooth would be turn it on, and it would be the Beats pill. Do that. Just wait for that to load up. Now hold on. Press that. Alright, there you go, it's connected. Now, as you can see, you really don't hear any sound. But when I go to this, sounds a lot better. Like real life, sounds better. This Beats feels right there.
Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come on!
God. What happened? What's going
Don't have
on?
time to explain.
So as you can see, it sounds way better. And I'm gonna play Ski Safari Adventure Time. This game is really fun. I would advise you to get it, and I would also advise you to get Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies, cause I have that, and I'm kind of really bored to play with people. So I just want to play with people that I know. My game center name is OGXVerxy. If it's not that, it's probably the
Ski Safari Adventure Time.
Yeah, if it's not OGXVerxy, it's most likely the Nasty Waffle. So it's either one of those two. I can't really remember. Had no game center at all. So a long time. Yeah, or it's probably Daryl Ross. Yeah. So jump right into it. It looks awesome. I just got this game probably 3 days ago.
Problem! Hey! Oh, cramp! Grab that loot! He left.
Oh yeah.
Banana guard!
Oh, Banana Guard.
Stop! Watch out for the stuff!
Ooh. Jake is awesome.
So many coins!
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh yeah. Banana Guards.
Gimme!
Oh.
Grab that loot!
Jake.
This is flipping crazy!
Jake. Oh dang.
Ledger for suckers!
Huh?
Yes, sir!
Oh! Oh! I did a freaking back with a Y-Wolf. Pretty legit.
Run! Yes, sir. This is running crazy.
Banana guard.
Ugh.
That's a new high score.
Alright, so that's just a way to improve your sound.
Oh, yeah.
And, if you need more videos or, like, tips or tricks, you know, just comment section below. And I'll see you tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, just anytime. Just comment, subscribe, and, you know, like. Peace.